Good morning, students. Today we have a maths lecture. We are learning about the linear equation in two variables x and y. We will take some examples. See, simple example. Write three solutions of x minus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. It is a linear equation in two variables. It has three solutions, means this equation has infinite number of solutions. If we change the value of x, then value of y also change. If you change the value of y, then value of x also change. We can take any rational number or any real number as a value of x and y. See first, very simple. If x is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then what is the value of y? The equation is x minus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. Put x equal to 0 means 0 minus 7y minus 2 equal to 0. That is minus 7y is equal to 2. That is y equal to minus 2 upon 7. This is one value. Now, if x is equal to 1, then the value of y, the equation is x minus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. 1 minus 7 into y minus 2 is equal to 0. Instead of x, I have put 1 minus 7y. 1 minus 2 means minus 1 equal to 0. That is minus 7y is equal to 1. Y is equal to minus 1 upon 7. Another, we can take any value. X is equal to, I will take 2, 3, 1 is negative, minus 2. Then x minus 7y minus 2 is equal to 0. That is minus 2 minus 7y minus 2 equal to 0. Minus 2 minus 2 minus 4 minus 7y minus 4 is equal to 0. That is minus 7y is equal to 4. Y is equal to minus 4 upon 7. This is the another value of y. See, if x equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 2 upon 7. If x is equal to 1, y equal to minus 1 upon 7. If x is equal to minus 2, then y is equal to minus 4 upon 7. We can prepare a table. In this way. X, y. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to minus 2 upon 7. If x is equal to 1, y is equal to minus 1 upon 7. If x is equal to minus 2, y is equal to minus 4 upon 7. These are the values. Now take second example. Find solution table. Second example is find solution table. Solution table of x plus 2y is equal to 4. We have to find solution table, means like the last example, we have to take the values of x, different values of x, and for that different values of x we take the different values of y. Now we have to take the value of x is equal to 0, 4, minus 2. These are the values of x. First, if x is equal to 0, what is the equation? X plus 2y equal to 4. X plus 2y is equal to 4. The value of x is 0 plus 2y equal to 4. That is 2y is equal to 4. Y is equal to 2. Means if x is equal to 0, y is equal to 2. Now take another value. X is equal to 4. If x is equal to 4, Then the equation is x plus 2y is equal to 4. X equal to 4 means 4 plus 2y is equal to 4. These 4 both are same, cancel. 2y is equal to 0. That is y is equal to 0. Another, if x is equal to minus 2, then the equation is x plus 2y is equal to 4. Minus 2 plus 2y equal to 4. That is 2y equal to 4 plus 2, 6. Y is equal to 3. Order pair is minus 2, 3. This order pair is 4 and 0. We can prepare a table of this. We can prepare a table like this. 3 values we have take x and y. The value is x, y. The values of x are 0, 4, minus 2. For 0, the value of y is 2. For x is equal to 4, the value of y is 0. For x equal to minus 2, the value of y is 3. In this way, we can prepare a table. Now take third example. If point 35 lies on the graph ax plus 5y equal to 15, then find the value of a. Which point? Point 35 lies on the graph, means point 35 lies on this line. That is, x coordinate is 3 and y coordinate is 5. X coordinate is 3 means instead of x we can put 3. Y coordinate is 5 means instead of y we can put y. We can put 5. See, since point 35 lies on the line, point हा लाईनवर आहे, therefore it satisfies this equation. It satisfies the equation. Point satisfies the equation means we can put x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 5. Now see what is the equation. Ax plus 5y equal to 15. X equal to 3 means a into 3 plus 5 into 5 equal to 15. That is, a into 3 means 3a plus 5 into 5 means 25 equal to 15. 3a is equal to 15 minus 25. That is, 3a is equal to minus 10. A is equal to minus 10 upon 3. The value of a is minus 10 upon 3. See what is the example. Find the value of t. Find the value of t if x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is solution of the equation 3x minus 2y is equal to t. Means x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 3 is the solution of the equation 3x minus 2y is equal to t. That is, instead of x we can put 2. 3 into 2 minus 2 into y, value of y is 3 is equal to t. 3 into 2 is 6 minus 2 into 3 is 6 equal to t. 6 minus t, 6, 0. That is, t is equal to 0.